Hi guys, my name is Christy and this is my Crafty Country. For today's DIY, I'm going to be making a wooden sign, one of the rounds to hang on the front door. I actually gave this one to the church for our auction, but I am going to be making myself one because I think it turned out so great. So the first thing I did was I just used some black acrylic paint, and I have my spray bottle with water, and I just watered it down some, and then I'm going to use it on this wooden round as stain. So all you do is paint it on, and you just give it a second to soak some of it in, and then you wipe off the excess. And I do that After both sides have been stained and dried, I just used some painter's tape and taped off a section in the middle wide enough for me to put my cricket cutout and the florals that I wanted to use. And then I used some of this Waverly chalk paint in the color crimson and just did, I think, 2 coats on the top and the bottom of the sign, leaving the middle that black stain look. So once it's dry, I remove the painter's tape and apply some of the Waverly wax just as a cover to where my cricket design will stick a little bit better. I don't know if I would have had any trouble with it on just wood, but I just wanted to be safe. So here I'm deciding which angle I want to use it at, and all it says is welcome, as you can tell. And I just put that on closer to the bottom because I want to put the florals in the stain section. So I'm just using some florals I got from Dollar Tree and just hot gluing them in place. Now, this wooden round, you can actually get wooden rounds at Dollar Tree. I got this one off of Amazon because I got a few of them. I will link that in the description box below. So there was some of the Dollar Tree's pine, and now I have some of the holly leaves with the berries. And I just hot glue those in place, and then I get some pine cones. And the pine cones were the scented pine cones from Dollar Tree. There's like 5 in a bag. And then I make a little buffalo plaid bow, and just a simple bow, and glue it to the top before making the hanger for the back, which this is just some Dollar Tree rope. And I hot glue it at the end to keep it from untwisting, and then I hot glue it to the board before I add some staples. So this one is easy peasy, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.